Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok account not found problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search TikTok application, tap on TikTok application, tap on storage, click on clear data, again click on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix TikTok account not found problem. Open Play Store and update your TikTok app's latest version. Restart your device and reopen it. Open your TikTok apps. Tap on search. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok account not found problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.